This is the second part of the video, how to hold your bow and how to draw the line of your bow. I'm gonna start naming the parts of the bow. We have the stick, the horsehair, and the frog, which is black, made of ebony wood, the frog's eye, and of course the tip of the bow. I'm also gonna name some parts of the violin. The fingerboard, which is also made of ebony wood. The bridge. On top of the bridge we have the 4 strings. And the point of contact. The point of contact is the place where your horsehair touches the string. And this point of contact should be in between the fingerboard and the bridge, somewhat in the middle, like that. And it should be at the right angle, not like that, nor like this, at the right angle. Next, I'm going to give you an exercise for you to practice in order to achieve perfect line. Supervise yourself in a mirror towards your right and pretend to draw the bow from the frog above the string about 1 to 2 inches to the tip. Do it slowly in the beginning in order to achieve that perfect line, and then up. And when you're ready, do it gradually fast. Also, in this exercise you are going to feel how the weight of your bow is transferred from one finger to the other. And I'm going to start again with the 4 steps. The magic ring is the one responsible, is the leader, is responsible for down or up bow. The ring finger is the one responsible for the bow to stay in the same point of contact. It's not going sideways. Your index finger is the one that will give you power, forte dynamics whenever you want them. And the pinky is responsible with the string crossing, with the movement of the bow up and down. Also is responsible for the spring effect, which is when your bow jumps from the string, and that you will find in different advanced techniques such as staccato, spiccato, and so on. And please remember, practice this line that gives you the magic sound. Practice it vertically at home, down and up, on your table, on your desk. Practice it vertically, on a pole or on the corner of the house. And this will make you to play so much better when you actually play the violin. And you will reach that magic sound. Please follow the exercises and the instruction of these videos, and I'm sure they will make a lot of difference. Happy practicing and good luck.